Alright, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the HCPS Tools site. Try and explain some generic things, talk about some of the commenting that's been done. So I have it open in Sublime Text, which I like as an editor. You can get a free copy and run it as trial for like forever, so that may be something you want to do. So this is a Bootstrap based thing. The in-browser styles, essentially like the styles that are specific to just this site, are right here. We can take them and put them out if it makes things neater, but that's what's going on. I tried to comment a couple of them up to let you know what they do, what they control, but it's not really that fancy. As we get down into the body, I put comments like this is the header. It says HCPS resources right now. We can change it. Here's where the drop downs are. There are 3 of them: subjects, grade levels, purpose. What you'd want to do to add or remove one of these as an option is you can just highlight the whole thing and delete it and it's gone. If you wanted to make another one, I'd suggest just highlighting copy and then put it where you want it. Just paste it in. There are 2 elements to it. There's the value and the display. So you want them to probably match. So if we wanted fish, we'll put fish there, fish here. We'll hit save, and then we should have fish as an option. Now if we wanted to get rid of fish, all we got to do is come back here, highlight the whole thing, hit save. Notice I am running this one locally just for testing. It's not a bad thing if you want to do it that way. That way you can kind of play with things, see what happens without doing the real piece, and then you can upload it when you're done. Other than that, that's adding and dropping stuff. You'd also want to do that in the options that you have for the form. Now, this piece here is the Bootstrap piece. So there's a main column that's 10 column items wide. And essentially it says for everything that meets these qualifications, repeat it for all the values that come in from the form. And it breaks it down. There's the title, here's the FERPA box, the logo box, the details collapse box. So I'll add this. So I try to just show you where each one of the pieces are. The pieces coming in from the form just follow this same pattern. You know, the curly brackets, then entry.gsx $, and then whatever the title for that column is, period, cat $T. It doesn't roll off the tongue, but it's not that hard. Essentially all you're changing each time is the part that occurs between the $, and the period. In this case, overview. In this case, purpose. This stuff here is the scripts, so if you know what you're doing, mess around all you want there. I think you'll probably leave it alone. So that's kind of a brief overview. If you got any questions or anything specific you want to see, let me know.